Hello. Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So, with that, we move on to our live analysis. Okay, give me a minute. Let me change the screen. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, the key data. In fact, yesterday the U.S. interest rate announcement was unchanged, which we were practically a bit surprised to see that statement given by them. In fact, they said that the Fed chairman was saying that last month the data was bad. It is a bit surprising to them, and in fact they are forecasting that the interest rate will stay around this level until the year end. Only next year, they are only expecting this interest rate to come down. Okay, and also I think because of this tariff implemented, so they are expecting more inflation to be seen. So that's the news. So that means the dollar is expected to strengthen, and gold is expected to come off, unless we don't get any surprises from the Middle East. The tensions that we are seeing now. Okay, then we had a morning. We had a GDP out from the New Zealand, which came out to be better than expected. Then employment change from the Australia, and unemployment came out to be bad. Australia employment change, actually the forecast was 20.6, but came out to be negative 2.5. Okay, another 30 minutes time. Okay, we are going to get a Swiss rate announcement, which the forecast is cut by quarter percent. That means it's literally is going to be a zero rate for interest for the Swiss from the Swiss National Bank. I think we should be looking into this to see any opportunity arising from that. So we should be able to take this. Then at 1900 hours, we have the monetary policy summary from the GBP, followed by the rate announcement, and they are also expecting unchanged. So that is the thing. So now we got to look into dollar space. Then we will see for any other opportunities that, and also do take note that today is US bank holiday. Okay, US bank holiday today. So let's move on to our trades. Okay, right now we are opening, in fact we shorted euro at 11465. Then we are long dollar Swiss at 82. Okay, right now is 82.13. Then dollar yen, we are also long at 45.10. Right now it's at 45.35. So now we have the dollar Swiss 81.80 and 83.20. So we have one buy, one more buy, and one sell. Then uh, gold. Okay, gold. We were shorted earlier on, which we have already taken the profit. Okay, I think that was a good profit which we made. We shorted at 73 and closed at 56. Okay, so that was a good half a percent return, and we also took a few more trades. We were long at 50, exited at 56 half, long at 53, exited at 58 half. So we were a profit, and one we got stopped out. So now let's try to go for a re-entry on gold. So the first thing is we'll try to look for the dollar Swiss, because the news is going to be out. So then we will look into gold as well. So what we need to do for dollar Swiss? Okay, dollar Swiss. I think we should be looking for the crosses. So if you look into the dollar Swiss cross, uh, let me check. Okay, yen is weak. Swiss is also weak. So Swiss yen is not going to give us a return. Euro is weak. Euro is also not going to give much return. I think mostly all the crosses are literally flat, unless we need to look for one strong currency. So 59, maybe New Zealand Swiss. I'm not sure whether New Zealand Swiss. Okay, let's see pound Swiss. Pound Swiss is moving up. Okay, it's moving up, which is as expected. Okay, this is as expected. So we can go for a target of 11025. Okay, 11025. Uh, since this is double bottom, we should see a price target of 11040. Uh, 10990. 10990. 11025, 11030. So what we will do, we will try to go for a trade. I think we have nothing to lose. So we will try to go for a pound Swiss long at 110, stop 10980, then TP is 11040. So we'll just key in this order. Let's try that. Okay, pound Swiss. Wait, Okay, we will try to put in order pound Swiss. Okay, so this is the order we have just put in. Okay, we have placed this order. So let's see how this trade is going to work. Okay, so let's move on to see. Okay, now we look into gold. Okay, let's look into gold. Okay, gold. I think we were pretty very uh, how shall I say, we were pretty accurate on this. So we just that we were holding a lot of trades around this level, but we were just controlling the risk at that point of time, so we had to close. So now, what should we expect for gold? Gold. Okay, gold looks. Okay, we can expect this target to go towards 3340 or 3330. Okay, 3330, even 3330 and 3318. Okay, so that should be our final target. So now what we do is we will try to, in fact we were just now, we bought at 50 and we closed at 58. So now we are trying to wholesale, and we still feel the low is still not seen yet. So what we are going to do now is we are going to go for a sell at 60, 60, 62 and 64. Okay, let's get the stop loss first. Okay, I'll show the screen. I'll show the screen one more time, not to worry. So now the stop loss, I think we got to put at 66, 66 and 70. Okay, so this is the stop loss, and expect this low to break. If it breaks, then we should see the price heading towards 40. Okay, so let's go for this trade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for a gold selling at 60 half, and that one we need to put a stop at 67 half, and TP at 40 half, and this is the condition is we need to see uh, the low, which is 47 half, to break. Then we can see our price target 40 half. So we try to go for 60 half one trade. Okay, then another one we will try for 64. Okay, 64. Then give me a minute. I think looks like that 60 half may not even reach. So I think it's 58 is where we are expecting the high to be reached. So what we will do is we will go for another trade. Okay, we'll go for another trade. Lower volume, sell is only 0.2 at 57 half. Okay, 57 half, and that one we'll put a stop at 65. There's $7 risk, and TP we will still go for about 40, 42. Okay, so this is another trade we are planning to go. Okay, let me also key in. Uh, okay, so we are trying to go for two trades first. Okay, well, one is 57 half, another one is 60 half, and stop is 65 and 67. That should be our stop loss. TP wise, we are expecting. Sorry, we are expecting. TP wise, we are expecting 40 or lower. So let's see how we can manage this. So as far as the open position are concerned, we are open dollar yen 45.10. This is making about 20 pips. Then dollar Swiss we are long and we are waiting for the news. So that is making about uh, 82. So it's about 10 pips. Then euro, this is losing about 2 3 pips. So we are trying to go on to the other trades. So I think the rest all I we still want to maintain it. I don't think there is any change because this is a morning. We have already taken time to an effort to put in these trades. Okay. Uh, Let me see. Yeah, because the gold looks. Okay, I want to try. Okay, I feel a bit 58, 56. I think I'll go for one more round, gold. Just a very low volume. Okay. I want to sell at 55 because there is about $15 move that is available for us to capture. Okay. Maybe we'll try to go for 56. Stop 61. TP, this one, I would just want to go for a tight TP. So I'll go for 48. So this is another trade I'm going in. So we have three tier entry. Most likely that 60 half, I may revise it to 62 or 64, just $1 2 higher. But we just let's see how is the market responding, and we will see how to go. But I think this trade is a good trade to hold because there are still more weakness to be seen, and we should be expecting the price to test at least 40 because the target we are looking for is about 28 to 30, about 30. Okay, so let's see an extension of this. Yeah, so we should see, I think, at least about 30. So we still we can't get the price right now. This is Still showing 53. Uh, see, this is sometimes this. Okay, hold on. Okay, I think we have missed it. See, this is the problem. We already missed it. $8 move. We are now at 50. 50. I think we just missed it. Actually, we wanted to enter at. Okay, I think we no luck for this. Okay. Anyway, but we have already taken the trades. So now we missed again. You know, so very waste. Okay, so now I cancelled the 57 half. Now I'm just holding two sell. One is 56 and one is 60 half. So I'm expecting the low to break 48. Okay, I'm expecting this low to break. If it breaks, then we should see the price going to 40. Okay, let's see whether we can try one last time. After that, if not, then I just want to forget about this trade and okay, we can go for 53, 54. Okay, 53, 54. Then if this low breaks, we should see the price going to 40. Okay, let's try one last time. 53 selling, stop above this 59. Okay, stop above this 59. Then TP at 40. This is the last time we are going to try this. If I don't think if we miss, then I don't think I want to chase anymore. Okay, this round I only want to go 0.1 because my risk is high. So this is just 0.1. 53. Stop 59.5. TP 40.5. So this is the last one, last attempt. I'm going for this gold. If I get it, I'll take. Otherwise, I'll just cancel it and forget about this. So we are trying to enter in 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, three selling orders, and all different stop loss. But if you see if this order is filled, we will take it. Otherwise, we let go this trade. Okay, then we are waiting for the Swiss news another 5 more minutes. So wait for that news. Then after that we can concentrate on our normal trading. So for those of you who have just come in, okay, the gold 53 is filled. 53 is filled. Then we are holding dollar yen, we are holding dollar Swiss, and we are holding euro. Okay, all these are still in place. So then the pound Swiss, okay, this is in the region, is the verge of getting filled, and pound also. Okay, this is also about 10 pips away. I think we still got a long way to go. So then while we are waiting, morning we took a trade. Okay, morning we took a couple of trades. This is all the trades we have taken today. So we shorted 79. I think the one we closed at 79 because we felt that too much of risk. Then we shorted at 79. Again, we closed at 78, 70. Then we shorted at 76. We closed at 74. So then we shorted gold at 73. We closed at 56. This was a good trade. Then we went for a buy. We got stopped out. Then we did a re-entry again. We made back that loss. Then also we went for a buy re-entry again. Then we made it back. So overall, I think it was a good start, and we are holding a couple of trades. So now we are waiting for the Swiss data to be out. Once the data is out, then we can concentrate on other trades. Okay. So any any questions? Anything you want to discuss? Okay. So 55.60. Okay, right now the gold is about 55.40. So now let's see whether our 56 gets filled. Okay, 56 is also filled. So we are holding two trades. Okay, the question. Okay, okay, I'll give you an answer after this data is out. Hold on, this buy. Okay, thanks for highlighting this. This buy, I think I want to cancel now. Okay, because we have already taken the trade, and I was going for a re-entry. Okay, thanks for alerting me that. So this 3350, I've cancelled it. So now I'm only going for a sell and hold. Okay, the buying one, I've the lower one is 40. So the one I want to maintain. So now this is I just want to go for sell this 3394. The one also we can cancel it because it's already far apart. 77 also can cancel. So now we only have reduced amount of trades. Okay, thanks for alerting me that. Okay, I've already cancelled it. Okay, now let's see the news. The Okay, the policy rate, I think the Swiss bank has cut the rate as expected. Okay, so they have reduced the rate to 0.00. So we just have to wait for the press conference at 4 o'clock. Then probably we may get more, more information on that. So let's see what is the dollar Swiss doing now. Okay, the dollar Swiss is coming off now. Okay, after the announcement, and the pound Swiss is filled. Okay, even though the bank has cut the rate, we are seeing the Swiss strengthening. Okay, let's go and see the chart. Okay, we had a buy order at 80. Okay, we had a buy order at 80. That is still not filled yet. Okay, not filled yet. So let that work. Okay, let that work. I think the pound Swiss, we may get stopped out. Okay, we may get stopped out, but let it be. I mean, let's see, because this is a news trading. Sometimes, if even the market, uh, whenever this kind of news comes out, what happens is sometimes you get the market reacting before the news. Then once the news is out, then there is a profit taking coming by. Okay, so let's see this. Let's clear this dollar Swiss first. Then we'll concentrate on our trading. Okay, let it work. It's okay. I think let it work. So now let's concentrate on our trading, our normal trading. Okay, I don't know whether anything got stopped out. No, I don't think anything got stopped out now. Okay, we are still good to go on all the trades. Then we we wait for the market. Okay, now let's see the gold trades one more time. Okay, just now you have a buy order at 3350 buy. That means 3353 to do a quick trade. Okay, no, actually that trade we have given is because we wanted to go for a buy uh, initially, because we took our profit. Initially we took our profit. We sold at 73. Okay, we sold at 73. So let me share the screen again. So initially we sold at 73. Then we booked profit at 56. So this was a re-entry. So we bought at 53, we closed at 58. Then we also bought at 50, we closed at 56 half. So we wanted to uh, go for a quick buy, and the range is supposed to be between 50, uh, 58, 58, 60, 58, 60. That's the level we were looking for. But now, looking at the chart, okay, looking at the chart now, okay, what is happening now is, if if this price is able to crack above 65, then that that the trade which we have taken, uh, which the what was the trade we were taken, the just give me 1 minute. Let me 1 minute. Okay, so so what we are expecting is, until now we feel that the low is still not seen yet. Okay, and we are betting that the low should be somewhere near 40 half or even 30 half. and that's what we are betting on. So now this there is a two possibility it can happen. Our price target 40 half can be reached provided the price doesn't go above 65. 65 is the key level to pay attention to, and that is the benchmark level we need to pay attention. As long as the price doesn't go above 65, and once that 48 breaks, we should see the price coming off. But by any chance that 65 breaks, then that 48 might be the low, and we may see the price going one more round up before the market is turning down. So this is how you need to play the game. So now, how can we trade this? So now we have to take our risk control. Risk management is the key to success. So now we feel that the dollar yen is making about I think the target we were expecting was 40. 40 was our, you see there is a TP at 40. So what we will do is we will try to take this profit now. Since we are sitting in front of the screen, so we are trying to close at 40.35, take in this profit. Okay, so try to, whichever that is giving us the profit, lock in. So lock in, so then at least we are reducing our risk. Then okay, we have closed that, and we have a risk control. Okay. Okay, the Swiss buy 81.80, missed that entry. Okay, wasted, very accurate. Okay, I think the Swiss also the low was yeah, I think we missed it again. That's going up a bit, so it doesn't matter. I think just now something got stopped out. Okay, what was it stopped out? Yeah, gold. Okay, gold now is moving up, huh? So gold is now moving up. So this one we'll raise it to 62 half. I think it's already filled. Okay, we were late in reacting to this. So this one, once the price breaks, we should be reacting fast. This one is, we should have put in raised it to 62, 63. Okay, I think now gold is giving us, okay, 65. Okay, let's concentrate on this. Okay, now it's a bit careful. Okay, let's do a reanalyze of gold. Okay, lucky we went with a small lot size. So we got stopped out. We lost about $160. Okay, so this is we are losing 56. This is $5, and this is a small lot. Okay, let's slowly, we don't have to now be in a hurry. Let's slowly do the trades, and let's slowly get on track. Okay, so now let's see the gold. Okay, the gold is I think most likely the other one also will get stopped out. Okay, it's already out. Okay, it was a very fast. Okay, so now we got to cover all this 163, all this we got to cover. Okay, let's do a thorough analysis on the gold. Okay, now looking at this, you see here this is uh, a huge pullback, which sometimes it does happen. So now we got to see how far this pullback can go. So this is 2 4, this is going to last for another 19 more minutes. Okay, 19 more minutes. So that means we should be putting our stop at 75 half, and we should see the price turning somewhere before this level, huh? So let's see whether we can get into this trade. So what we will do is we will try to go for wait for this 15 minutes high. So that means we'll try to sell one at 69, 69, 68, then another at 70, 73. Okay, 73, and the next 15 minutes should be a down move. Okay, we got to be in this trade, huh? We got to be in this trade. So let's go into this trade. I want to sell okay, this round is 0.3. Okay, we'll go on 0.3 at 68. Okay, we'll try to sell at 68. Okay, let me sell that. Okay, the 68 is filled. And this one, the stop, we need to put 76. Okay, this then we go for another sell. This one I'll give you the TP later. I'll give you the TP later. Okay, so we're going for another sell at we have to go for two sell, because we have already stopped out. That's one, and this is just a pullback which we are seeing now. Okay, we should not see the price going beyond 73. Okay, so we let me go to the screen. Because we have to carefully analyze. So we will go for another sell at 72 half. Okay, 72 half. And that one we will go for okay, that one we go for a half lot. Okay, so that is a bigger volume. XAU Okay, so I'm putting in another trade, 72 half, and this is a half, this half lot I'm going in because I've already incurred a loss, so I want to take back my losses. So I'll go for 72 half, stop at 77, and the TP I'll be giving it later. Okay, so here, see, if you lose, if you have lost 160, 170, 380, so I've lost about $380 on just for the recent gold. So I got to recover more than that, then only I will be flat. So now I'm already making $80, so I need to cover another $300 on this. So then the rest is, we will, of course, we will manage it. Okay, now another thing we can do is we can go for a add-on entry. Okay, add-on entry, that would be okay, let me get the chart. Okay, we are waiting for one more order to get filled, and this strength what we are seeing, we have to see whether the high is seen, and we have 13 more minutes for this time to finish its time, the duration. So after the 13 minutes, then we may see the weakness coming in. So until the 13 minutes, we should see this market showing some strength. Let it show the strength, and let's see how we can get back our losses. If we are right, two things again. Since this is a strong pullback, this might be the low, okay, for the day. I wouldn't know. But if the next time, that means another 2 hours, if let's say the pullback is stronger, then this is a failure, then we can get back on track. Okay, so let's see, wait for another 12 more minutes for us to take another trade. So the another trade is, of course, we are trying to go for one more sell at 72 half. If we see 72 half, we want to go for a sell. Okay, then if the price breaks lower, then we may want to go for an add-on entry. So both we need to wait for the time, then we can decide how we can trade that. Okay, so I think it's showing too much of strength, so I'm not sure. Okay, let's do the work, then we would see how. Let's draw the channel and okay, we should not, I don't think we should be seeing beyond 77 half. Okay, 77 half, 79 half, we should see the price turning before that. Okay, so let's wait to see, then we can go on to this trade, because we need to take back that loss which we have incurred, and it was too fast, in fact too fast, and it was pretty big move, straight away. I'm sorry. Okay, still have 9 more minutes. Okay, we'll wait for that 9 more minutes. And looks like the pound Swiss is going to get stopped out. Let's see whether we need to do any adjustment for this. I think the Swiss did tricked us, because even that announcement came in. Uh, we Even though they cut rate, the okay, I think it's already got stopped out. Okay, let's also need to do a re-entry for that. I think the pound Swiss is just a profit taking, that's all. So we should be able to see the price. We'll try to go for a re-entry. Okay, the re-entry is 10950, 110, 10930. Okay, 10930 and 11010. Okay, so I'm going to give a re-entry for pound Swiss. Okay, this round we will go for a half lot because we already lose. So we will try to go for 25, 11015. Okay, today. So this is the new order I've given for the pound Swiss, which got stopped out. Okay, then our dollar Swiss, we are still going to go for the 8180 is filled. Okay, I think just now it got filled. 8180. So now this is making about 5 pips. Okay, it's making about 5 pips. Let's see average. We will see how we can go get back on track. So now while we are waiting, we have 6 more minutes for the time to finish. So wait for the time, then we decide. In the meantime, we got to see how much we got to cover. 170, 380, 380, 500. I think whatever we made on the gold, we have lost. So now we got to recoup our losses. So pound Swiss we have already put in. Let's focus on that. The gold we try to re-enter one more lot. I think we should be able to come out comfortably. Let's see. Then the as far as this TP right now, I think we can just key in, since we have already lost. Just put it as 42. Okay, just key in as 42. Then we will wait for the market to turn. Okay, we have 5 more minutes. Then after that we can decide on the gold trade. That means whether we are going for a sell, stop sell or limit sell. Okay, we'll wait for the 3 more minutes, then we will know most likely. Okay, most likely if the price is not able to touch 70 and breaks this low, then there is a high chance that this has made a high. Okay, so the next the next opening high is very crucial because this market broke the low and it was a failure. So the next one opening and the high is important. Okay, what we will do now, okay, let's go back. First thing is the 81.80, the dollar Swiss, we will reduce 35 to 15. Okay, so this one we reduce it because this is making, and the stop also I think we need to raise it to 65. Okay, so this one is we raise the stop, reduce the TP. Okay, so now the first one, let it work, then we will do the amendments next session. Then the euro, we also do the amendments in the next session. Okay, now we got to go for the gold. Okay, can we sell 0.2 gold at 66? Since we have incurred a loss, we'll go for 0.2. Okay, now we're showing 66.30. I think we can go for 66 or better. Okay, I think I keyed in a bit slow. Okay, I've sold at 0.2 at 65.9. Okay, so you see straight away we sold at market. So this one we will put stop at 70 half. Okay, the high was 69, so we'll put at 70 half, and this one we will put a conservative TP at 50 half. Okay, so it was very fast. Market moves very fast. I'm just letting you know. So if we are not fast in reacting, then definitely we will be losing money. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we feel that the correction on the high side is already over. Okay. So we got to wait to see. Okay, wait to see how this market is going to respond. Okay. So now uh, let me see. The 72 half. Okay, I want to cancel this first. Okay, I want to cancel this first. Then my stop, the 68, I want to bring it down to 71. So I'm just reducing. Can you see? I'm just reducing my risk and exposure. Then I'm trying to play the market with ease. So there's two way which I'm looking at. One is either the if this high is seen at 69 half, okay, then I should see the price moving lower towards 52, at least 52 or even 48. You know, if it breaks, then it may break lower. So what I'm going to do now is slowly reduce my stop loss and try to take one or two profit to cover my loss. Okay, my loss is 320, 420, 480. So I got to cover this $480. So I try to do as much as I can. So the moment once I covered, then I can good to go. Then the next round I can still trade with confidence. But let's assume this one goes against. You know, let's say the high is still not seen yet, and the price is going to break higher. Then let us get ourselves prepared for the next high. So that high, we should not see the price going above. Okay, the stop has to be 88, and let's say we see the price really showing some strength. It can go up to 84. So that means the stop has to be uh, should within yeah, so 84. So I'm going to key in another order. Okay, this is 0.5. Okay, so I didn't give any TP yet, but I want to go half lot. Okay, half lot, and this is the buffer trade for these two trades. In the event I get stopped out, then I try to go for a slightly a better level. Okay, so that is the buffer trade, and we will see what happens. We wait for this trade and to see how we execute this trade. So there is a possibility that the 69 half might be the high, and we should see the price moving lower, or if that is not the high, then we may get one more spike up towards 75 and 84. Okay, 75 is also, there is one level here. Okay, there is one level 75 as another another barrier. Okay, hold on. Yeah, about 75, 76. So that should be, maybe we can just key in one more to see. Okay, in the event that fails, 76 and 81. So 76. So just go for a small 9. Okay, I think I'll go for 0.2 instead of 0.3. Okay, so I want to put in another trade 0.2, selling at 76, then stop at 85. So this is just a buffer trade for my losses. Okay, so good luck to you guys. See you again at another 5.5 hours. Okay, because today US holiday, we'll see. So hopefully this trade, if it comes back, we make money, then well and good. We should be able to be back on track, and we don't have to panic. So then let's see the dollar Swiss before we go off. Okay, since we got stopped out, let's see the dollar Swiss one last time. Yeah, so I think okay, there is a possibility that the low is seen for the dollar Swiss. So let's wait for that retracement up. Then we can make back. So then pound Swiss. Let's see the pound Swiss. Okay, I think for pound Swiss also, I think we were a bit unfortunate. Okay, we just we should have lowered our stop by another 5 pips. Otherwise, that shouldn't have been stopped out. Maybe, uh, yeah, another 5 pips would have saved that trade. Okay, you see this. This is on the dot 70. now is 90. So we should have reduced our stop by another 5 pips. We would have saved that trade. But anyway, I think we were a bit unfortunate. So never mind. We see it's all part of the game. As long as we don't lose money, we keep going. Then it's fine. Okay. So I'll see you all again at 20, 21, 30. Okay. Thank you. See you. Bye.